Go! Go!
Oh my God! Oh my God! That's so amazing! This is crazy! This is so nuts! I can't believe that.
That was so cool. A lot of people said overrated, but that was like one of the coolest things I've
Not
seen.
overrated.
It's really cool.
We're emotional.
I slept for like 1 hour last night. You could see like the halo of the sun, and it was literally just like a black spot in the sky. And it was,
Looks like a hole.
yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know if I was expecting it to be like smaller, but it was like, it was big. It was really cool.
You know, when you see pictures of it, and the pictures are like, oh, cool. But when you see it,
Actually see it with your naked eye, and it's not a photograph. It's just right there in the sky. It was amazing. I'm totally glad I missed school.